Welcome to part 1 of Marine Engineering Multiple Choice Questions on Purifiers, also known as Centrifugal Separators. I am Assistant Professor Manivanan S. Question 1. What is one purpose of separation? A. To increase temperature of liquid. B. To free a liquid of solid particles. C. To increase viscosity. Or D. To mix two liquids. The correct answer is B. To free a liquid of solid particles. Separation is used to clean liquids by removing contaminant. Question 2. In gravity separation, what happens to heavier particles? A. They rise to the top. B. They remain suspended. C. They sink to the bottom. Or D. They evaporate. The answer is C. They sink to the bottom. Heavier particles settle due to gravity in this separation method. Question 3. What happens to a lighter liquid in a stationary mixture? A. It sinks. B. It rises. C. It solidifies. Or D. It disappears. The correct answer is B. It rises. Lighter liquids float on top of heavier liquids in a stationary mixture. Question 4. What is used to achieve continuous separation by gravity? A. Heater. B. Centrifuge bowl. C. Settling tank. Or D. Pump. The correct answer is C. Settling tank. Settling tanks allow gravity to separate continuous flow of liquid and particles. Question 5. In centrifugal separation, gravity is replaced by A. Magnetic force. B. Frictional force. C. Centrifugal force. Or D. Pressure force. The answer is C. Centrifugal force. Centrifugal force is utilized in separators to enhance the separation process. Question 6. Centrifugal force compared to gravity is A. Equal. B. Lower. C. Slightly higher. Or D. Thousands of times greater. The correct answer is D. Thousands of times greater. Centrifugal force significantly amplifies the separation effects compared to gravity. Question 7. Why is feed oil heated before entering the purifier? A. To increase density. B. To reduce viscosity. C. To increase pressure. Or D. To solidify particles. The answer is B. To reduce viscosity. Heating the oil lowers its viscosity, making separation more efficient. Question 8. Lower viscosity of oil results in A. Poor separation. B. No change. C. Better purification. Or D. Increased sludge. The correct answer is C. Better purification. Lower viscosity improves the separation efficiency in the purifier. Question 9. What happens to oil density when temperature increases? A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Remains constant. Or D. Doubles. The correct answer is B. Decreases. Oil density reduces as the temperature rises. Question 10. What happens if the purifier does not reach full RPM? A. Separation improves. B. Centrifugal force increases. C. Separation becomes ineffective. Or D. Oil density increases. The correct answer is C. Separation becomes ineffective. Full RPM is necessary for optimal centrifugal force and separation. Question 11. What is the function of back pressure? A. To increase viscosity. B. To cool the oil. C. To ensure proper oil flow and disk immersion. Or D. To increase sludge. The answer is C. To ensure proper oil flow and disk immersion. Back pressure is vital for effective separation. Question 12. Throughput refers to A. Temperature of oil. B. Speed of rotation. C. Quantity of oil fed per hour. Or D. Pressure inside the bowl. The correct answer is C. Quantity of oil fed per hour. Throughput defines the processing rate of the oil. Question 13. For better purification, throughput should be A. Maximum. B. Minimum. C. Constant. Or D. 0. The answer is B. Minimum. A lower throughput allows more time for effective separation. Question 14. High separating temperature generally. A. Reduces efficiency. B. Has no effect. C. Increases separation capacity. Or D. Stops separation. The correct answer is C. Increases separation capacity, primarily by reducing oil viscosity. Question 15. Which factor helps separation most? A. High viscosity. B. Low density difference. C. Large density difference. Or D. Low temperature. The correct answer is C. Large density difference. A greater difference in density enhances the separation of substances. Question 16. Which particles are easier to separate? A. Small and irregular. B. Large and smooth. C. Small and rough. Or D. Irregular only. The answer is B. Large and smooth. These particles settle faster and are easier to remove during separation. Question 17. What happens when sludge space is full? A. Efficiency increases. B. Separation improves. C. Efficiency decreases. Or D. Oil evaporates. The correct answer is C. Efficiency decreases. Full sludge space hinders the separation process significantly. Question 18. A dirty or damaged disk stack will A. Improve separation. B. Have no effect. C. Impair separation. Or D. Increase RPM. The answer is C. Impair separation. The disk stack is crucial for increasing separation area, and damage reduces its effectiveness. Question 19. What does a larger whole gravity disk do? A. Moves interface inward. B. Moves interface outward. C. Stops separation. Or D. Increases viscosity. The correct answer is B. Moves interface outward. The size of the gravity disk determines the position of the interface. Question 20. What is the effect of reducing throughput? A. Faster separation. B. Less separation time. C. Better separation. Or D. Increased viscosity. The correct answer is C. Better separation. Reducing throughput allows the oil more residence time in the purifier. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for joining this video.